Hi, I am from Somalia. Recently we seized $10 million from a United Arab Emirates aircraft. I believe the UAE are funding Al-Shabaab to destabilize us.
What's $10 million doing on a civilian aircraft? Why did the United Arab Emirates decide to transfer this huge sum using a civilian aircraft? And why are they ending their military training program in Somalia, closing their hospital in Mogadishu? It doesn't sound right. Somalia has been in conflict for the past 25 years, but the Horn of Africa has been showing signs of recovery, fighting Wahhabism funded by the United Arab Emirates and Saudi Arabia. United Arab Emirates says the $10 million hard cash was being sent to help the Somali military, but this narrative doesn't make any sense. So the United Arab Emirates all of a sudden wants to send Somalia, the Somali military, some money without giving them notice? It seems like the United Arab Emirates cares so much that it wants to surprise its Somali brothers and sisters in the military. I mean, who are they kidding?
Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim Maliki Yawmiddin.
Somalia has always followed a true orthodox version of Islam, without violence and without extremism. Only till the British and the Americans started to use Middle Eastern oil, the troubles began in Somalia. Saudi Arabia and the United Arab Emirates started to give birth to the devils in the region, constantly creating chaos for its resources to be looted. Yes, Somalia has untapped reserves of numerous natural resources, and due to its proximity to the oil-rich Gulf Arab nations such as Saudi Arabia and Yemen, the nation is also believed to contain substantial, unexploited reserves of oil.
Humanitarian aid should never be politicized. What the UAE has done is shameful.
Somalia is a free country. We might be weak today, but we don't want their aid that comes with strings attached.
Since the Somalis noticed that charcoal was being used to fund Al-Shabaab, the Takfiri terrorist Najdi Wahhabi group, they also noticed that the biggest importers were the United Arab Emirates and Saudi Arabia. The Somalis, along with the Turks, started to limit the charcoal trade and move towards regulating it. This is maybe one of the reasons why the United Arab Emirates, along with Saudi, are now using civilian aircrafts to transfer money to Al-Shabaab to fuel the region into further chaos, so the powers can take Somali resources.
There's very little clarity on precisely what the charcoal trade is worth to Al-Shabaab. Until 2011, it was estimated at approximately $25 million a year. It's estimated that a total of between $360 and $380 million a year is generated in charcoal exports from Somalia. At least half of that is believed to go to Al-Shabaab through the port of Barawe, which remains under its control.